Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim the Phantom Wallet airdrop. Claiming a Phantom Wallet airdrop involves specific steps to ensure you receive your tokens securely, and here's a concise guide. You gotta check your eligibility first, so Phantom will notify eligible users via push notifications and in-app banners. If you see such a banner, click it to proceed to the official airdrop page. On the airdrop page, follow the provided instructions to claim your tokens. Just important security tips: beware of scams. Only use the official links provided by Phantom. Avoid clicking on unsolicited messages or links from unknown sources, and regularly check Phantom's official channels for announcements regarding airdrops. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.